Hello, welcome to Skype Call Testing Service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you. If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype Call Testing Service. Goodbye.